It was a move that we had worked on the whole year, and for it to work the way it did at the most defining moment of our season,
once again into Steven McDonnell, and he's put it over the bar.
Was great recognition of the hours upon hours of training ground work that we put in.
It's his third point. More significantly, Armagh lead the All-Ireland final.
Stevie took responsibility. I'm taking responsibility. We haven't scored in a while. I'm going to get the ball and I'm going to put it over the bar.
Also Shane feeding it in, and good defensive play by Armagh. It's out to Kieran McGeady, the captain. It's all over.
So then all hell broke loose.
What a credit to them the way they applied themselves when everything seemed gone from them.
You know, to kick the winning point in an All-Ireland final, looking back, is what dreams are made of.
Sam is going north once again.
And the first people I remember seeing is my brother and my mates. I also remember seeing my girlfriend at the time, now my wife. And that's two of the vivid memories that I have. Directly after when it is seeing, I suppose, friends and family members that I dearly love, and they were there for that moment.
A delighted Kieran McGeady and a delightful day. Look at that scene. Just quite amazing.